Okay, so here we'll see a very easy but important chapter for all of you, that is called as logarithm. Okay, what is in by logarithm? Anyone? Log. Why log is used? Yes, any idea? For easy calculation. Okay, so just remember, it is used to simplify complication arithmetic calculation. Okay, arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So there I'm going to make use of it. Okay, so if at first this seems like no big deal, imagine 2, 234, 4, this is the number. If you want to multiply these two numbers, how much time will it take? A lot of time, right? So the log is going to help you with solving this without calculator. Okay, so first let us try to understand what is log, the formulas and all. What is the meaning of logarithm? Definition of logarithm, write down in your notebook. Suppose if b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1, there is a number p such that log n to the base b is equal to p. Okay? See how to read this. Listen here. How to read this? Log n to the base b. B which is written down here, this is called as base. So what is log n to the base b equal to? It is equal to p. This is how you are going to read it. Okay? So this is how I am going to use some formulas in our day-to-day life to solve the questions now. So this, imagine this log n to the base b is equal to p can also be written as b to the power of p is equal to n. Okay, so write down this in your notebook and write down this in your notebook. Both are one and the same. Completed? Okay, now look at this. Formulas, there are some basic formulas. If you know this, it is easy. Ax is equal to b. A to the power of x is equal to b, which is also equal to x is equal to log b to the base a. Log b to the base a. Now how to read this? A belongs to real number positive. That means it is above 0. 1, 2, 3. Okay, a belongs to the real number but it is positive. A is not equal to 1. Okay, a is not equal to 1 and x belongs to the real number. Okay, this is what it is. So at present you will not understand what's going on here, but slowly when we solve the problems it will be easy. Okay, so this is the first property. Next, second property, log 1. Look at this. Log 1 to the base a. What is the answer? 0. Log 2 to the base a. What will be the answer? 0. Log of any constant will be equal to 0. Do you all understand? Log 5, log 6, log 10, log 100. What will be the answer? 0. Okay. Next. Look at this. Log a to base a. What is the answer? 1. Suppose if I write here log b to the base b. What is the answer? 1. Log c to the base c. Answer is 1. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now when you solve the problems, what happens? Sometimes in question you will get 1. Okay, so there you have to convert this into log a to the base a, log b to the base b. Okay, Anirudh. Next, look at this now. A to the power of log f of x to the base a is equal to what? F of x. Now this kind of formulas will be there in your differentiation, differential equation, integration. Okay, like that. So if your log chapter is not strong, you will find difficult in solving the integration. Okay, this is one property. Next, look at this, very easy. Log in bracket m into n. This dot means into. Okay, dot means what? Into. Log bracket m into n. What is the base here? A. So what is the formula? Log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay, so if it is multiplication here, this will become what? Addition. If it is multiplication, this will become addition. समझ में है सभी को? ये formula very very important है. This is very important. This is very important for our 10th 11th level. Okay, 10th and 11th level. Next, suppose if I write here like this, log bracket में a b c. A b c is nothing but numbers 1 5 6 anything. Okay, imagine like this, and base is same. Base is x here, base is common here. Here base is common here, a. That's why I'm taking base a here and base a here. So in this case, the formula will become log a to the base x, log b to the base x, log c to the base x, continuation, log z to the base x. Okay, like that. Next, suppose if you have division here, log m divided by n to the base x, log m divided by n to the base x. What will be the formula? Log m to the base x minus log n to the base x. Okay, so if it is multiplication, this will become what? Plus. If it is division, this will become what? Minus. Okay, so here we are going to start with the log chapter. So take down these formulas quickly from number 1 to 4c. Take down this quickly. तुषार लिखो लिखो लिख दिया लिखो लिखो completed. Yes, Manish, what is log a to the base a? Look, okay, log x to the base x. Okay, log y to the base y. 1. Correct. Okay, next, Tushar, tell me what is log m into n? नहीं, कैसे पढ़ना है इसको? हाउ टू रीड? आई टेल यू. मैंने ये फॉर्मूला पूछा आपको, log m into n. बेस आपका क्या है? a. तो इसको कैसे पढ़ना है? log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. You understand? Now tell me what is the formula? Very good. Tell me what is the formula for log m divided by n? That's it. Okay, so these are all important formulas. Still many complicated formulas are there in log. Have you taken down everyone? Ready? Okay, look at this now. Now this formula is log m to the power of n base a. Log m to the power of n to the base a. So what happens here? N into log m base a. N into log m base a. Okay, multiply ho jayega. Anything power, it will get multiplied. So this b, okay, the formula which I am writing here, 5b, this is for NDA, CET, JEE, IMA students. Okay, this is where your log questions will come in your examination. Do you understand? So log a to the power of m base b to the power of n, this becomes m by n log a to the base b. Okay, so this is where you have to practice. Baki log, those who are in 11th and 12th, those who are in 10th standard, for you this is important. The previous few questions formulas are important. Okay. Now change of the base rule. Imagine. Okay, now here log a to the base b, this becomes log c to the base b, log a to the base c. Another property. Next, look at this, log a to the base b, so this becomes log a to the base e, log b to the base e. Okay, next, look at this, ulta, log a to the base b is equal to 1 by log b to the base a. बस इसको उल्टा लिखना है बस, ठीक है? So take down this, remember these formulas. I will give you questions. In that solving the questions, it will be easy for you to understand. Take it down. Take down all these properties and put a star mark on 5b. 5b is important, very important for NDA students, NDA CET. Completed? Okay, आगे बढ़ेंगे. चलो देखो अभी ये. Don't get panicked. Sir, ये कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Don't understand what's happening here. Don't get panicked. Initially it will be like this only. Then we'll take each and every formula and then we'll do it. Okay, no, look at this now. Example number 1. Okay, 2 to the power of 3. What is 2 cube here? 2 cube can be written as 8. I want to write this in the form of what? Log. Okay, imagine I want to write in this form of log. So how will I write? Solution. I will write like this. ठीक है ना? Come on. I'll take this 8 here. Do you remember the first formula? Log m base a is equal to p or something like that you wrote, no? So this I will write it as log 8 to the base 2 to the is equal to 3. Okay, like this you have to write it down. So just take down this question. Write down only the question. 2 cube is equal to 8. Answer will be log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Written? Answers bhi ho gaya? Okay. Try next question. I'll give you, just see whether you can write it in log form. 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 343. 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 343. 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 343. Yes, Tushar, क्या किया? Is it right? Correct. Log 343 base 7 is equal to 3. Shall I give you one more? Okay, write down. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. Yes, Prashant, done. Batao answer. Base 2 is equal to 5. Correct hai? Log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. Okay, next write down. 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. हो गया? Yes, अल्ताफ ने क्या लिखा? Log 27 base 3 is equal to 3. Is it right? Good. See how to read this. The log base is 2. Okay, and it is equal to 3. Okay, write down this now. Fatafat quick. 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 16. Write it in the log form. Yes, Kirti. Log 16 base 4 is equal to 2. Shall we check it? Yes, it's right. Chalo, next. 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8 in the log form. Yes, क्या लिखा? Log 1 by 8 base 2 is equal to minus 3. 1 by 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. Yes or no? 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So 1 by 2 cube, can I write it? Can I write it or not? 1 by 2 cube. But 2 cube is in denominator or in numerator? Denominator. If it goes in numerator, what happens to that cube? Minus. Okay, so let us check whether the solution is like that. So everyone got this? Okay, log 1 by 8 to the base 2 is equal to minus 3. सबको मिला ना? Okay. आगे इसको हम minus 3 में भी convert कर सकते हैं. Start. Yes, Bala. Log 49 base 7 is equal to 2. Next. Yes. This one Rahul. Anirudh बोलेगा? बोलो Anirudh. Yes, it's right. Yes, Tinku. Is it the answer? Just check it. Okay, नहीं आया है तो मुझे बताओ वापस. I'll tell you. So log 1 by 100 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. Yes, Tushar? Okay, next. Try writing this now. बोलो तुषार क्या लिखा? 16 base 16 16 लिखा 6 लिखा. सबको सही मिला ये? Everyone got it right? That's it. Okay, अभी तक तो हमने डायरेक्टली ऐसे लिखा बट उसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म भी लिखना है. Look at this now. A next type of question. Log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Okay, so this can also be written as 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. Now we are going in reverse direction. Here, from solution to the question. So now, for example, if I give you this, what can I write here? 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. Yes or no? 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. So can you try the next three questions? Yes, done? Vivek, what you got? 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100. Is it right? Next question. कितना मिला? 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 125. Next question. Yes, Shreyas. 27 to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 3. Everyone got this? Yes, Tushar? Mila? Okay. Try this now, quick. I think this is done now. अब भी किया ना. Okay, इसका आंसर्स दिया है बस. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, solve for x. Now we have to find the value of x. So what can I do here? 6 to the power of, how can I write this in a form, exponential form? 6 to the power of 2 is equal to x. What is 6 square? 36. So what is the value of x? That's it, you got the answer. Look at this now. Solution. Those who don't know, look here. So rewrite the problem in the exponential form. Can I write this as 6 square is equal to x? So 6 square is nothing but 36. That is 36 is equal to x. Now what happens with the second question now here? Can you try by yourself now? Yeah, start doing it. माइनस बाकी लोगों को नहीं आया, अल्ताफ को नहीं आया, प्रशांत, राहुल, बलराम, कीर्ति, you got it? Yes. How can I write this question? First tell me in the exponential form. 5 to the power of y is equal to 1 by 25. Did you understand this? Yes, Tanushri, did you get that? Okay, after that there is a problem. Now imagine, look at the solution here. I'll rewrite in the exponential form. So can I write this as 5 to the power of y is equal to 1 by 25? 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. 5 square I can write. So what happens? 1 by 5 square. Correct? 1 by 5 square. That 5 square, when it goes to the numerator, it will become what? Okay, so can I write it like this? 1 by 25 can be written as 5 to the power of minus 2. So can I write 5y is equal to 5 to the power of minus 2? 5 and 5 in equal, so y is equal to minus 2. So what is the value of y? Minus 2. Did you all understand? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो I can show you how the steps are going on. Yeah, shall we move forward, Purida? Okay. Y is equal to minus 2. Okay, these are all properties. Okay, now example number 1. Look at this now. Log in bracket 4x plus 10, what is the base here? 3 is equal to log bracket what? X plus 1 is equal to, base is what? 3. So base is same or different? Same. If it is same, then the log value will also be equal to equal. Okay, this and this will be equal. So directly you can solve this question like this. Okay, look at this now. The bases are same, correct? 3 and 3. So what I am going to do? Directly solve this. 4x plus 10 is equal to x plus 1. So what happens? When this x goes to left hand side, this becomes minus 4x minus x. This plus 10, when it comes to right hand side, this will become minus. So can you solve and tell me the value of x? Yes? Try it, try it, try it. I don't just try it. Write down the question and just try the answer. Completed? So the answer will be x is equal to minus 3. Linear equation with one variable. Okay. Sometimes the answer for this, you may not get it. For example, this kind of questions, log minus 8 to the base 2. Okay, so what is the reason for this? It is undefined. Because one easy explanation is to simplify, rewrite this log in exponential form. If you write in exponential form, what happens? Okay, this becomes 2y to the power of minus 8. Okay, now here the problem is, if I take it as like this, there is no possibility of the power of 2. If I write 2 square, what is 2 square? 4. I should get minus 8. If I write 2 cube, what is the answer? 8. But can I take 2 to the power of minus 3? No. So there is no possibility that I can get this value. So this kind of questions, the answers will be undefined. We cannot solve the solutions. Okay. So this is how things happens. Next. Simplify. Okay, now tell me, when anything, just see the formula list I gave you, log a to the power of m, what happens? No, not 1. Something is to the power, no? Just see that. It becomes multiplication, correct? No? Which formula number? Formula number? 5a. Check the formula number 5a. What happens? The power will become multiplication, correct? 3 into something, 3 into something. Here what happens? 3 into log a to the base a. 3 into log a to the base a. But what is log a to the base a? 1. What I told you, log a to the base a is 1. So what is the answer finally? 3 is the answer. Look at this, those who are not getting. Idhar dekho, eyes on the screen. This is the solution. This is the formula which I gave you, correct? 5a, formula number 5a. So here I have log p to the base a to the power of, this is n. What happens to the n? This n gets multiplied. N into log p to the base a. This will be as it is. Don't change this question. Just write like this. This power will come here. So here what happens? This 3 will come forward. So 3 into log a to the base a. So look at this. Did you all understand this now? 3 into log a to the base a. But I gave you one more formula. Tell me what is that? I think second formula. Yes. What is second formula? Log a to the base a. 1. Log a. Yes, Altaf. What is log a to the base a? I gave you second formula. Na? Dekho usme. Tushar. Log a to the base a. Mila? 1. So what is 3 into 1? 3 into 1 is 3. That's it. So that's the answer. Did you all understand? Now try this now. Wait. Yes, answer. Hmm. इधर बैठो आके आके and don't disturb that box here. Okay, वो हिल जाएगा वाईफाई. Okay, ready? इधर देखो. This is cube root. See, this is root, but here it is 3. So can I say this is a cube root? Cube root means 1 by 3. Correct? So cube root means what will I write? Power 1 by 3. So this questions first I'll write like this. Okay, 81. This I can write it as 3 to the power of 4 or 3 to the power of 4 by 3. Correct? Now what happens? This becomes 3 log 3 to the base 3 to the power what it is? 4 by 3. What happens to this 4 by 3? Comes forward. So 4 by 3 into log 3 to the base 3. So answer is 4 by 3. How many of you got 4 by 3? Only one? Yes, Tanushri, you got it? No? உனக்கு yeah, தப்பா வந்துச்சு. That's what. Okay, so try to avoid these mistakes. Solve now. Try doing it now. Time being, you just take it down. Again, I'll give you more questions for practice. That time we'll do it perfectly. So 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay? Okay, try this now. Check the properties, formula list. Completed? Okay, there they go, solutions. See, first what I'm going to do, I have given you the formula. If anything is to the division sign, okay, if it is like this, so this will become minus, correct? So now this is the question. So can I write this as 27 divided by 3 log 7 to the base 3? Why this 27 you got? Because 3 to the power of 3 is how much? 27. So that is this 27 value. This minus indicates this is division, and now this is base 3 log 3 to the power of 7. Okay. Now again the second property you have to use. Imagine this property. What happens? For the denominator, only for the denominator you are going to use this formula. Yes. Answer 27 by 7 is the answer. Got it? Okay, take down now. Take down this equation, this wala. Completed? Okay, next important step is this denominator. Write down the formula also. I have given you this formula. A to the power of log p to base a is equal to p in the denominator for 3 log 7 to the base 3. So answer is 7 here. Final answer is 27 by 7. Okay? Okay, done. So we have just practiced. Now take down few more important questions. Ready? Okay, take down. Find the value of, this is the question here, log 27 to the base 9 plus log 32 to base 8. 32 to base 8. Yeah, start doing it. Getting the answer? Okay, look here, I'll solve here. 19 by? Okay, the first term here, this is log 27 to the base 9, correct? So 27 can be written as what? 3 cube, correct? And what is this here? Log will come, and what is the base here? 9. I gave you the formula for this. Log a to the base b to the power of m. What happens to this m? This m will multiply m into log a to the base b. So whenever something is to the power, what happens here? It will become multiplication. So here what happens? What is in power here? 3 is in power. So what happens here? 3 into log of 3 base 9. Did you all understand? Okay, so this is what happens here. Further, if you want to simplify, can I write this as 3 into log 3? 9 square, can I write 3 to the power of 2? Can I write 3 to the power of 2? Yes, Rahul? Okay. So here, this. Now for the second term. Now you are going to help me for the second term. Now tell me, I'm writing here, this is log 32 to base 8. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. And what happens here? Log base 8. What happens to this 5? Multiply? Correct. So this becomes 5 into log 2 base 8. Correct. Now this 8 can be written as 2 cube. So 5 into log 2 base is what? 2 cube. Do you understand? Okay. Now come back to this part now here. So what is this here? 3 into something. And what is 3 to the power of here? 2. So this will become 3 by 2. Do you all understand? This becomes 3 by 2. And this one here, this is 5. You write down 5. And what is 2 to the power of here? 3. So this becomes 5 by 3. And in center, what is the sign here? Plus. So what are you going to add? 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. You have to simplify this. What answer you get? 9 plus 10 divided by 6. So answer is 19 by 6. How many of you got this? This is how you are going to do it. Okay? So simple, you have to convert this into, with the help of the formulas, you have to convert that in these values. Okay, ready? Okay, take down next question. Okay, same type. Question number 2. Log 9 to base 3 plus log 25 to base 5 plus log 8 to base 2. Those who are finished can raise your hand. Miss Nan, Miss Altaf. Okay, okay. आराम से. Finish Rhea? Ravya नहीं? चलो. We'll do it. Look here, eyes on the screen. Yes, Prashant, Rahul, did you get it? Rahul, what's the answer? You focus here when I'm solving here. Manish, when I'm solving, look at the board. Okay, Tushar, look here. I'll tell only the first term. Then I'll call it a person's name. He or she is going to help with the second and the third one. Ready? Eyes on the screen. Tanushri. So the first one is nothing but log 9 to the base 3. Correct? 9 can be written as what? 3 square. So I will keep this in my mind. So this 3 square I will write like this. So what happens? Log 3 square to the base 3. Log 3 square to the base 3. Sam. So now what happens? I know a property log a base b to the power of m. What happens to this power? It gets multiplied m into log of a to the base b. You have to solve like this unless and until you are thorough with this topic. Okay, if you are directly solving the answers, you are not great mathematician, you are practicing. Okay, so you have to write down these steps, then only you will become master. Okay, so look at this now here. So this can be written as 2 into log 3 to the base 3. Did you all understand? Yes. Now look at this carefully, how this formula looks like. I told you the first formula, log a to the base a is what? 1. Correct? So what happens to this, Anirudh? This becomes 1. So this is what? 2. So for the first, I got the answer as 2. So who is ready to tell me with the second one? No, no. Yes, who is ready? Yes, Prashant, tell me. Wait a minute. I'll write like this. Okay, log 25 to the base 5. Now tell me. Base 5. Then base is 5 here, right? Then what happens to this power? 2 into log 5 to the base 5. What happens to this log 5 to the base 5? 1. So what is remaining? 2. Very good. So for the second one also I got 2. I'll keep this in mind. ठीक है ना? Now third one कौन बताएगा मुझे? Tanushree, will you try? Yes? Yeah, try here. Tell me here. Okay, so this is log 8 to the base 2. What happens with this 8? 2 power 3. Very good. So this becomes log 2 power 3 to the base 2. What happens to this 3? It gets multiplied. 3 into log 2 to the base 2. What happens to this log 2 to the base 2? 1. Okay, so this is 3 into 1. What is the answer? 3. So here the last term I get 3. So if I add all these things, so the answer is 2 plus 2 plus 3. How much I get? 7. Easy. Okay, shall we do it now? Next question. Okay, take it down. When I'm explaining, whatever it is, even if you get right answer, eyes on the screen. Okay, next is easy. Log base 2. Then again you have log base 5. And this is 625. तुषार को लास्ट क्वेश्चन आया? ऐसे नहीं चलेगा काम. Yes, Manish. Try these questions now. Let me see who does it. Yes, got it. Hmm? 2. Okay, we'll check. Ready? Shall we do it now? Okay, look at this. The first in this question, eyes on the screen. Kirti, sit straight. Okay, this we have to target this 625. Okay, now students will be confused, sir. How to simplify this? You directly take with 5. So can I write 5 125, sir? Okay, then again 5. 5 525, sir. Then 5 5s and 5 1s. So how many 5s I have? So can I say 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 625? Yes, correct. So here in this question, what happens? Here I will write Shamant, here I will write log base 2, here this is log 5 and this is 5 to the power of 4. Yes or no? Right? So look at this, only this part carefully. Only this part carefully. What happens to this power here? So this becomes log base 2 4 into means I'll put a dot, but let me write like this. This becomes log 5 to the base 5. What is log 5 to the base 5? 1. So what happens to this question is log 4 to the base 2. That's it. Now tell me 4 can be written as what? 2 square. So this becomes log 2 square and base is what? 2. Now what happens to this 2? Multiply. So this becomes 2 into log 2 to the base 2. What is log 2 to the base 2? 1. So what is remaining? What is the answer? That's it. Start doing it now. Very important chapter. Minimum 2 questions will be asked in NDA examinations, and NCRT they don't give more importance for this. But one exercise is there in I think 10th or 11th you have it. Those who have finished it, next question for you. Log base 2. Tushar no talking. Log base 2. Then you have log base 3. Then again you have log base 3. And this is 27 to the power of 3. Find the value of this quick. Log 2.
Log 1 to the base 2.
Okay. That's what.
Zero, sir.
That's what. Yeah, you are thinking. Yes, shall we do it together? Time's up. Yes, साथ में करेंगे. मनीष क्या हुआ? आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Look here, eyes on the screen. Ready? Sam, look here, eyes on the screen. 27. How can I write this 27? See, some of the students will not know, sir, 27 का कैसा लिखना है. For example, take 3. 3 nines are 27. Then 3 threes are 9. Then 3 ones are 3. LCM method you know, right? Okay, now see 1, 2, 3. So can I say 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27? So this I am going to write it in this question. Okay, first let me come from the back side. So this becomes log 3 to the power of 3, put it bracket, and base 3 to the power is what? 3. Do you all understand? Some of most of you will not get the answer because you don't have habit of putting this into bracket. Okay, that is what you do mistake. Okay, now look at this. In 7th and 8th standard you had a property surds and indices may a to the power of m to the power of n. What happens? A to the power of m into n. So if you look at this here now, this is 3 to the power of 3 bracket to the power of 3. So this will be 3 as it is. This becomes 3 into 3. So what is 3 into 3? 3 to the power of 9. Okay, so here I will write it as log 3 base is 3, 3 to the power of 9. So what happens to this power here? It gets multiplied. So 9 into log 3 to the base 3. Yes or no? So what happens to this log 3 to the base 3? 1. So what is remaining here? 9. Now you take down this here, log base 3. So this becomes log 9 to the base 3. This 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is log 3 square to the base 3. Correct? What happens to this power 2? It gets multiplied. So this becomes 2 into log 3 to the base 3. What happens to this log 3 base 3? 1. So what is remaining here? 2. Now you take down this, okay, this one here. So what happens? This is log 2 to the base 2. What is log 2 to the base 2? 1. So can I write this as 1? Now you take down this. Okay, so this becomes log 2 1 to the base 2. Log 1 to the base 2. I gave you a formula that is log a to the base b. Imagine if it is constant, the answer is 0. So what happens to this answer? 0. That's it. Start doing it. Going above head. Okay. Those have finished it. I'll give you a new question. Ready? Try to understand and do it. No use of copying. Okay, the question is log base 2, then again you have log base 2, then again you have log base 2, again log base 2, and the number is small 65536. Start. Yes, 65536.
Sir, one.
Final answer is 1.
Yes, sir.
65536, what you did?
16.
Okay, see, those who don't know this big number, 6, you have a number that is here 5536 divided by 2. Okay, take a small number 2, and like this keep going on. You have to divide how many times? 16 times. So 2 to the power of 16 is what? 65536. So look at this. Here I will write log 2 2 to the power of 16. That means this becomes 16 into this. Now you write this log here. This is log 2. Now this becomes log 2 to the power of 4. 4 to the base 2. So this becomes 4 into log 2 to the base 2. Now take this here. So this becomes log like this. So this is nothing but log 2 square to the base 2. This 2 will come here, that is 2. Now take this 2. So this is log 2 to the base 2. Answer is 1. How many of you got 1? Yes. Answer is 1. Ready for next question? Okay, take down first question here. Next one. This is easy, everyone should get it. Log 10 to the base 10 plus log 100 to the base 10 plus log 1000 to the base 10 plus log 10,000 to the base 10. Next, add one more 0 to the base 10. Start. Wait, wait, let them do it. Easy, everyone should get it. Yes, okay. Yes, answer. 15. सबको मिला पीछे तुषार. Yeah. Look at this. Log 10 to the base 10. The first I can write it as what? 1. So 100. So can I write this as 100 is nothing but 2 square. Okay, so this 2 comes here. So this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So how much it is? 5 plus 5, yes. 15 is the answer. Yeah. Next question. So don't get panic with the bigger question. Bigger the question, easier it is to solve because all the data will be given. Next question, take it down. Question is 25 to the power of log 4 base 5. This is the question. 25 to the power of log 4 base 5. Answer? We'll check. 4. We'll check. Have you written down the question? Okay, I'll solve the first question. The next questions you have to do it. Look at this. Here, 25 can be written as what? 5 square. Yes, eyes on the screen. Balram. 25 can be written as 5 square. Yes, Shavya, look here. So this will become 5 square log 4 to the base 5. You know one more property. I told you log A, this is B to the power of M. This becomes what? M into log A by B. This can I write it as power? So look at this here. What can I do? Can I write this as 5 log 4 square to the base 5? Can I write it like this? Yeah. So look at this. What is the base here? 5. What is the here number? 5. 5 to the power of something. So at that time you have to take only this value. What is 4 square? 16 is the answer. What is the answer? 16. This is the property. You check the formula. I have given you. Take it down now, quick. Those who have finished it. Next question. 16 log 5 to the base 4. 16 log. Solve it. Solve it. Don't be in a hurry. Answer. 16 can be written as 4 square. See, you may ask me, listen here, you may ask that, sir, I can write it as 2 to the power of 4 also, right? 2 to the power of 4 is 16. But look at the base. What is the base here? 4. So I am targeting the base. So this becomes log 5 to the base 4. The next step becomes log 5 square to the base 4. So here base is 4 and this number is 4. So what is the answer? 5 square. What is 5 square? 25. So answer is 25. Ready for next question? Take it down. 3 to the power of minus 1 by 2 log 9 to the base 3. 3 to the power of minus 1 by 2. Hmm? 3 power 3 power minus 1. So answer 1 by 3. Shall we do it? तुषार इधर देखो. अभी ये जो हो जाएगा ना 3, see 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is minus 1 by 2. This is log. This is 9 can be written as 3 square. And what is the base here? 3. Now this minus 1 by 2 will also come here. So this becomes log. Okay, this you can write like this 3 to the base 3, 2. And this is minus 1 by 2. A to the power of m to the power of n. What happens? A to the power of m into n. So here what happens? This is 3 to the power of 2 to the power of minus 1 by 2. So can I write this is 3 to the power of 2 into minus 1 by 2? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining? 3 to the power of minus 1. So here this will be 3 log 3 to the base 3 minus 1. So this is base 3 and this is 3. So what is the answer? 3 to the power of minus 1. So 3 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3. Now the student, those who are finding this difficult, what is the problem with you? In 6th, 7th, 8th, you had a chapter called as powers, surds and indices. Okay, power surds and indices. This you didn't do properly. That's why you are finding the 11th standard mathematics difficult. Then you will definitely find NDA, CET, JEE difficult. The matter is not taking admission in science in some college. That doesn't mean you are a science student, brilliant student. Okay, எல்லாமே ஈஸி தான். நீங்க வந்து basic strong பண்ணிட்டு take time. 1 week, 1 month you take time. Do all the basic strong. Then you go and sit in your 11th and 12th standard. You will come out with rank 1. Answering some students are answering here. Why they are answering? They know the basics. Do you understand? That's the only difference. So don't feel bad. I'm not getting the answer. Okay, எனக்கு வரல என்ன பண்றது அப்படின்னு. Okay, come and ask me doubts. We'll do it once again. Take down next question. Question is log 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 zeros and base is 10 minus log 4 to base 10. Log 4 to base 10. Start doing it. If you're finished, just raise your hand. Answer. Yes, answer. 4. எப்படி வந்துச்சு? Wait. Yes. Kami, show me the steps what you did. Okay, look here everyone. See, I told you there are two properties. If it is log m into n, what you will do? Add. Correct na? If it is multiplication, what you will do? Add. And if it is division, m divided by n, what you will do? Minus. Okay, so right hand side if it is minus, so what it is meaning? Division. So inge enna sign irukku? What sign here you have? Minus. So what happens? Can I write this as log 40,000 divided by 4? Yes or no? And you have to always check the base should be same. Here the base is 10 and here the base is 10. So what will be the base here? 10. Did you all understand? Yes. So now can I cancel this now? Tell me. Can I cancel this 4 ones and 10,000? Can I write it like this? How many zeros you have? 4. So this becomes log 10 to the power of 4 base 10. Do you all understand? 10 to the power of 4 to the base 10. What happens to this 4 now? 4 into log 10 to the base 10. What is log 10 to the base 10? Yes, 1. So what is the final answer? 4 is the answer. இப்படி வரணும். Okay. சரி மேத்ஸ் தானே எல்லாமே அடிக்கணும்னா எல்லாம் அடிச்சு okay 4 வரக்கூடாது. Do you understand? Just because your friend got the answer, you should not do like that. Chalo. Those are not got tried. I'll give you next question. Sometimes luckily by wrong steps you get the right answer. Take down next question. Log x to the base 9 minus log 9 in bracket write down x by 10 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 1. We have to find the value of x. X is equal to? Correct. Yes, shall we do it together? Okay, either they go eyes on the screen now here. See, I told you if there is something like this, log of m minus log of n. If it is minus, what you will do? You will divide log of m divided by n. This did you all understand? But there is one condition, the base should be same. If the base is different, you cannot do it. Look at this base here. What is the base here? 9. And what is the base here? 9. So can I move forward? So this becomes log of x. This is x. Okay. Whole divided by, what is this here? Actually log निकल जाएगा. This becomes x by 10 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 1 on the right hand side. Do you all understand? Okay. Now you solve this. Keep x like this and this complete term. Okay, this complete term I take it to the right hand side. So anything into 1 is the same. So x by 10 plus 1 by 9. Now cross multiply and tell the answer. This becomes 90x. This is 9x plus 10. Correct? Okay, so 9x comes here. What happens? Sorry, I did something wrong. No, sorry. Yeah, x by uh, so this will become 9 9, correct? Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is 9. So this becomes, just a minute. Okay, this you multiply by 9, 90. Yeah, correct. So this becomes 90x is equal to 81x plus 90. Now the next step here, this becomes 90x minus 81x is equal to 90. So 90x minus 81x is 9x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 divided by 9, x is equal to 10. This is how the answer you get it. Okay? Now you may ask you this one I told you anything to the power of 0 is what? 1. Okay, so that's how you get it 1. Otherwise you can say here actually this is like this log 9 to the base 9, correct? That's how you get 9. Chalo. So take it down quick. Okay, next question. Okay, you have done the exponential form, no? In the beginning, I gave you some questions for practice. Take it down. It's very easy. Log 2x to the base 10 is equal to 1. Find the value of x. Hmm. Log 2x to the base 10 is equal to 1. What is the answer? 5. Easy. I gave you ना initially exponential हमने practice किया था ना. Okay, so this is base 10. So can I write 10 to the power of 1? Okay, this will become power is equal to what? 2x. So this is 10 is equal to 2 into x. So this becomes 10 divided by 2 is equal to x. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 5. Okay, second question ready? Take it down. Log base x, now this is 9 by 16 bracket, is equal to minus 1 by 2. Find the value of x. Minus, find the value of x. Yeah, 256 by. Okay, look at this. Here I can write this as x to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 16. Correct? Yes or no? In your surds and indices, you know a to the power of minus m can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. So the left hand side, this value will become what? 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but square root. So can I write here, this becomes 1 by square root of x is equal to 9 by 16. Can I write it like this? The question says that find the value of x, but here it is root x. So can I square on both sides? Okay, if I square on both sides, you get 1 by x is equal to 9 is how much? 81. And 16 is how much? 256. So if I want the value of x from here, just write the reciprocal. X is equal to 256 by 81 is the answer. Easy? Next, log x minus 15 to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 4. 15.4 is wrong. 1015 is correct. Okay, shall we do it? इधर देखो सब लोग. Look here. First thing what you do, Log 10 to the base 10 can be taken as 1. So plus 1 is equal to 4. This plus 1 comes here. What happens? 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. Now write down the left hand side. This is log x minus 15 to the base 10. Now write it in exponential form. This becomes 10 to the power of 3 is equal to what? X minus 15. What is 10 to the power of 3? 1000 is equal to what? X minus 15. This minus 15 goes here. What happens? 1015 is equal to x is the answer. So what is the value? 1015. Ready? Take down next question. Quick. Which one? Already हाँ, आपने 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया x minus 15. But what about the base? Did I give it equal? But I think you should get the same answer. Wait a minute. X minus 15 into 10 is equal to 4. You get like this? No, right side it was 4. It should be 10 power. That's what. Right side, if you have taken 4, then it will be wrong. Do you understand? Left hand side, you are operating in log formula. So right side also you should operate in log formula, right? So there the base is, you don't know the base here. No. What is the base? You don't know, right? So you should assume here it is 10. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 10 है, यहाँ पे 10 है, तो यहाँ पे you don't know, so you should take it as 10. So if you are multiplying, immediately this becomes 10 to the power of 4, and then you have to substitute. Then you get the right answer. ठीक है? Okay, next question. Take it down. Log x to the base e, log x to the base e plus log 1 plus x to the base e is equal to 0. Find the value. You will get the answer in the form of equation. X square plus x is equal to 1 is correct. Look at this now. Here, the right hand side is what? 0. So what I do, this is log 1 to the base e. Why I am writing base e? Because here base e and here also you have base e. So now here, what happens? Log x to the base e plus log 1 plus x to the base e. This is what sign now here? Plus. So what happens if it is plus? What did I tell you? Log m plus log n can be written as what? Log of m into n. Okay, it will be like this. So what happens this way? This will be x into 1 plus x is equal to 1 because all the bases are same, e, right? So you multiply this now. X into 1 is x. This is x square is equal to 1. This is your answer. That's it. Here the answer is in the form of equation. Okay. So now we'll do little easy question. एकदम easy वाले questions करेंगे अभी. Ready? Take down question number 1. Ready for the question here? The question is log 3 to the base 5 into log 625 to the base 3. Just write down the question, then I'll solve. You can just check it how to do it. Ready? Okay, look at this. There is a property in log. Okay, eyes on the screen. Sab log. Tushar. Here there is a property log a to the base b can also be written as log a divided by log b. ऐसे हम लिख सकते हैं. Okay. बट प्रोवाइडेड हियर हम क्या करेंगे, बेस को हम क्या ले लेंगे, ई ले लेंगे. ये हमको एज्यूम करना है. दिस यू शुड कीप इन माइंड एवरी टाइम. यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. आई विल टेक इट एज ई. So now here tell me what happens to this now here. Just write like this, log 3 divided by log 5. Now tell me for the second term what happens. Log 625 divided by what? Log 3. Now tell me 625 can be written as 5 to the power of 4. We have done one question, correct? No. 5 to the power of 4 is what? 625. Anirudh. So what happens? This is log 3. This is log 5 into this is log 5 to the power of 4 divided by what? Log 3. What happens to this 4? What happens to this 4? It comes here. Okay, so look at this. What happens to this question? This becomes log 3 divided by log 5 into what happens here? 4 into Shreyas. This is 4 into log 5 divided by what? Log 3. Okay, now that's it. Can I cancel log 3 and log 3? Can I cancel log 5 and log 5? What is remaining? This is the answer. Can you do this kind of questions now? Yeah, start doing it now. Fast. Five power 4. Ah, that is also correct. That is one more property. But here I am, दूसरा भी है ना log 3 5, इसलिए मैं ये स्टेप सीखा. So अगर वो समझ में आ गया तो फिर ये क्वेश्चन करो सब लोग. And don't be hurry in telling the answers. Log 5 to the base 5 into log 9 to the base 4 into log 2 to base 3. If you are finished, raise your hand. Answer. Is anyone getting any other answer? One correct है देखेंगे. 1 0 ऐसे भी ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. Yes, answer. Everyone getting there? Yes, प्रशांत, राहुल. राहुल को मिला नहीं? Okay, इधर देखो. This can also be written as 1. Log 5 to the base 5 is 1. So let directly start from this. 9 can be written as what? 3 square. Okay, divided by this is log 4. Log 4 is nothing but 2 square. Okay, now this is nothing but this is log 2 divided by this is log 3. Prashant, sorry, Rahul, look here. So this becomes what? 2 into log 3 divided by 3 into log, sorry, 2 into log 2. Again what happens? Log 2 into log 3. Now what will get cancelled? Log 2, log 2, log 3, log 3. 2 and 2. What is remaining? 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next let me see how many of you do it. Still many easy questions are there. I am not giving it. Let us not waste time in easy questions. Okay, take down next question here. 1 divided by log BC और बेस में है, सॉरी, बेस में है A log A. This is plus 1. ठीक है. Second term 1 divided by log CA base B plus 1. Next, 1 divided by log AB base C plus 1. Tell me the answer for this.
log a to the base b plus 1
Log
log a to the base bc plus 1 plus log b to the base ca plus 1 plus log c to the base ab plus 1.
try again. Yes, anyone, any other answer? Okay, look here. I'll do it here. First term I will do it. Okay, I'll do first term, and the next two terms you are going to help without notebook and pen. You are just going to solve here. You are going to assist me. Look at this. First term 1 divided by, question is log BC base is A plus 1. Correct now? Plus what is this here? 1. Can I write this as log A to the base A? Can I write it like this? Log base to the base A, because here it is base A. So here I take what? A. Correct. And what happens here? What is log A to the base A? 1. That's why I'm writing it like this. Then what is the formula for log of m plus log of n? You're going to multiply, correct now? Log mn. So what happens to this now? See, base is same, a and a. So what happens? 1 divided by, can I write this as log abc divided by a? Can I write it? Okay. Now look at this denominator. Okay. Can I write this as, I'm writing denominator here. This is log ABC to the base A. Can I write this as log ABC divided by log A? Can I write it like this? Okay, so this terms becomes 1 divided by, tell me what happens here? Log ABC whole divided by log A. What happens to log A? It goes to the numerator. So what happens? The first term becomes log A divided by what? Log ABC. This is the first term. Okay. Now, can I write this as log A to the base ABC? Correct? Okay. So I write, this is the first term which I get it. Now can you tell me what the second term now? What happened? Anyone? Yes. Yes, Bala, tell me. Hmm. 1 by, okay, 1 by log CA to the base B plus log B to the base B, because in base B. So what happens? This like this. Okay, so finally if you solve, next what happens? 1 divided by log CAB, or ABC you can write to the base B. Okay. Otherwise what happens? This is log B divided by what? Log ABC. Or this can also be written as what? Log B to the base what? ABC. This is the second term which I get. This is the first term which I get. Correct. So what happens with the third term?
Log c to the base abc.
Yes.
Log c
Log C to the base
abc.
ABC. So here I'm writing all the three terms together. Okay, the first term is log a to the base what? ABC plus what is the second term?
log
Log
B,
b to the base ABC. What is the third term?
log C,
Log c to the base ABC. Now look at this carefully. The base is same or different?
same,
So if the base is same, what happens if a plus b? Multiply. So can I multiply everything? This becomes log ABC to the base ABC. What is log a to the base a?
1,
Okay, see, I gave you a formula, no? Log a to the base a. What is the answer? 1. So what will be the answer for this? That's it, you got the answer. 1. Do you understand? Yeah, start doing it. Those are finished, can take next question. The question is 1 divided by log xyz, and here base is xy, plus 1 divided by log xyz, base is yz, next plus 1 divided by log xyz, and this is zx. Yeah, tell me the answer for this. 2. Okay, इधर देखो. First term, what happens? I will write like this: 1 divided by, look at the base. Okay, this is log xyz divided by, can I write this as log xy? So this log xy goes up, so this becomes log xy divided by log xyz. In the same way, the second term will become log yz divided by log xyz, and the third term will become log zx divided by log xyz. If I take this as base, xyz as base, so what happens? You get log xy into yz into zx. This you multiply, and xyz is the base. So x into x is x square, y into y is y square, z into z is z square. So this becomes log xyz the whole square, and base is what? Xyz. What happens to this 2? It comes forward. 2 into log, now this is xyz and the base is xyz. So what is this value? Xyz to xyz? 1. So what is the answer? 2. Done everyone? Fine. Still few more questions are remaining. Do you want me to do it now or tomorrow? Hmm? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, take down few questions, take it as a homework. Go and practice all these questions, and whatever questions we did today, don't expect this question in NDA. Okay, because this is very easy level questions. Okay, it was like stepping stone. ठीक है, चलो. Take down the first question as a homework. Log a square by bc. Then you have plus log b square by ac. Then plus you have log c square by ab. Question number 2. Log 4 to the base 3 into log 5 to the base 4 into log 6 to the base 5 into log 7 to the base 6 into, this is log 8 into base 7 into log 9 to the base 8. Okay. Okay, try this question. Last one, take it as a homework. 7 log 16 by 15 plus 5 into log 25 by 24 plus 3 into log 81 by 80. That's it. Take it as a homework tomorrow. I think it's very easy. You can do it within 10 minutes. Chalo, fine. We'll see tomorrow then. Chalo, you can leave. Arrange the chairs properly. Table, everything should be in straight line. Okay. Do that and then you can leave aram se.